Hi children, welcome you all to this session. Today's class we are going to freshly start new chapter 2, which is the topic is linear equations in one variable. We have already discussed simple equations in previous grade. The same thing we are going to start today also. That along with that few extra things we will be learning today. So you can take your NCERT textbook for our introductory part. Okay children? In this chapter, you should know what is meant by algebraic expressions and equations. Algebraic expression. I already gave an introductory part about this, I hope so. Algebraic expression is a combination of variables, constants and operators. But in algebraic equations, one extra thing you will get is equal to sign. You can find in that picture that you would remember that equation use the equality equal to sign. So, equation will use equal to sign along with plus, minus, multiplication. It will use equal to sign. Okay, that is the only difference between expression and equation. Expression they won't use equal to sign, but in equations we will use equal to sign. Understood children? See here, there is a subdivision. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. So I told you equation means what? Equal to signs will be there along with a variable, along with a constant. See that example which is given on the right side. 2x minus 3 equal to 7. So in this we have equal to sign, right? So it is an equation. Next, it has a variable and it has a constant. Everything is there. As like expressions, it will have a variables, constant, everything along with the equal to sign. Understood children? So that it will have both LHS side as well as RHS side. You have already learned what is meant by LHS, RHS, right? So in equation, you will be having LHS as well as RHS side. Understood? In B part, what it is given is, see, in an equation, the value of the expressions on the LHS and RHS are equal. Which means we will say that LHS is equal to RHS, right? When there are certain verified problems, we will be using LHS is equal to RHS. Why? Because our LHS value and RHS value will be equal. Then we will say LHS and RHS are equal. Okay, this is satisfied only if that equation got a solution. Okay, solution means what? You can see that one box problem is there. Listen, 2x minus 3 equal to 7. And they have given x is equal to 5 is the solution of the equation. So what you are doing is, you can substitute x is equal to 5 in that equation. So 2 into 5, 10, minus 3, 7. So what is your LHS value? 7. RHS value is 7. So both LHS and RHS are equal. So x is equal to 5 is the solution of this equation. Okay, solution means what? If our LHS and RHS are equal, when we substitute some value to that x. Okay, so here x is equal to 5, we are substituting, we are getting LHS and RHS equal. So x is equal to 5 is the solution of this equation. Understood children? Likewise, there are many methods to find the solution of this equation. I hope we have previously studied about how to find the solution of this equation. Solution means what? We are finding the value of that unknown x, y, z like that. We are going to find the value of that unknown. Okay, there are transposing method, balancing method, like the many methods we will be using to find the solution of this equation. Okay children? We are going to discuss example problem from chapter 2. Okay, I hope you all understood the introductory part which I have taught you. Now this is an example problem, example number 1. You can refer page number 22 for that. Okay, find the solution of 2x minus 3 equal to 7. We are going to find the solution. Here x is an unknown, right? X is a variable unknown. We don't know the value. If you find the value for this, the x, then that is the solution of that equation. Why I am saying this as equation? because it has equal to sign. Okay, and it is a combination of variables, constants, operators like that. Okay, so if you find the value of x, then we can find the solution of that equation. Okay, now what is the equation? 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Do you remember balancing method? In your last grade, balancing method is, see, we are going to find this x. So in order to find x, we should eliminate this minus 3 also, this 2 also, right? So in order to eliminate this minus 3, if you add 2 on both sides, can we get it? So add 3 on both sides, 3 on both sides. So 2x minus 3, this is my equation, then plus 3 equal to 7 plus 3. In order to eliminate this minus 3, I am adding 3 on both the sides. Now, minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled. So, only 2x will get 7 plus 3, 10. Right. So, minus 3 plus 3 will be get cancelled. So, 2x I will write, 7 plus 3, 10. Next, you have to eliminate this 2, right? 2 is multiplied with x. So, if we divide 2 on both sides, can we eliminate that 2? So, this is my 2x divided by 2 equal to 10 by 2. Because in order to eliminate this 2 is multiplied with x. So, 2x, so divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. Now, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. And this 2 1 times, this 5 times. So, x value is what? 5. Okay, x is equal to 5 is the solution for this equation. Listen, solution means we have to find the value of the x. By balancing method, they have done in your example problem. So, same balancing method I also used here. First, we are going to find this x. So, which are all things we should eliminate? I have to eliminate this minus 3 and 2 also. If you want to eliminate minus 3, you should add 3 on both sides. So, I have added. So, I will get, these 2 will get cancelled. 2x equal to 10. Then we have to eliminate this 2, which is multiplied. So, I am doing divided by 2. Then this 2 will get cancelled, and cancellation I will get x is equal to 5 as answer. Understood? This is your example 2. The same page you have the example 2. Check the NCERT textbook carefully, children. 2y plus 9 equal to 4. Here we are going to follow transposing method. Transposing means what? I am shifting one thing to that side. Okay, that is transposing method. So here what you want to find? Y. Okay, so we have to shift this 9 also and this 2 also. Okay, what is my question? 2y plus 9 equal to 4. Right? Now, I just want only 2y because y is that. I am shifting to that side. Plus 9 will become minus 9. Did you understand? 2y alone I will keep this side. I will bring that to that side. So 4 minus 9 plus 9 will become minus 9. Then 2y, 4 minus 9 minus 5. Okay, 4 minus 9 because greater number sign is minus, so minus 5. Next, I want only y. So I am bringing this 2 to that side. 2 is multiplied with y. So if it goes that side, it will become divided by 2. Okay, listen here, plus 9. If it goes that side, it will become minus 9. 5 minus 9, it will become minus 5. Next, 2 is there. It is multiplied with y. So if it goes that side, it will become divided by y. So what is the value of y? Minus 5 by 2. So this is what the solution for this equation. Understood? Your example 3. You can take page number 23, children. In that example 3 is given. Solve x by 3 plus 5 by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2. So what you are going to find? Unknown is x. You want to find the x value, which is the solution of that equation. So how you will find? You will keep this alone as such. You will bring that to that side. So x by 3 equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. If it goes that side, it becomes minus 5 by 2. Understood? Because I want this alone, so I am bringing that to that side. So minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 will become minus 5 by 2. Now, x by 3 equal to, our denominators are same. So can we add or subtract the numerator alone? Minus 3 minus 5. Can we write like this? Yes, because these two are rational number with same denominator. So you can see only the numerator. Minus 3 minus 5. X by 3 equal to minus 3 minus 5. Minus 8 by 2. Okay. Now, can we cancel this? Because 2 table 1 times 4 times. 4 2s are 8. Now, x by 3 will become minus 4 by 1. Right? So, now x by 3 will become minus 4. Because minus 4 by 1 is minus 4. Next, you should remove this 3. So, if can we bring to that side? It is division by 3. So, if it goes that side, it will become multiplied by 3. X is equal to minus 4 into 3. X is equal to 4 3s are 12. Minus into plus minus 12. So, what is x value? Minus 12. Okay, listen. Both the denominators are same. So, you can add the numerator minus 8 by 2. Cancelling 1 times 4 times. So, minus 4 by 1. So, I am writing minus 4. 3 if it go that side it become multiplication. 4 3s are 12. Minus into plus minus. So, x is equal to minus 2 is the solution for this equation. Understood? Example number 4. Solve 15 by 4 minus 7x equal to 9. Okay, solve means what now? You should find the solution. That is the meaning. Okay, what the unknown you are going to find here? X. So, can we keep this alone as such and can we bring this side? Minus 7x equal to 9 minus 15 by 4. Can we write like this? Because we want only, we are going to keep this as such and I am bringing this 15 by 4 that side. So, minus 7x will be that like that itself. 9 minus 15 by 4. Now, can we make this minus 7x is equal to 9 by 1 minus 15 by 4? Because 9 and 9 by 1 can be written. Yes. Now, both the denominators are different. So, can we take LCM? Yes. LCM of 1, 4 is 4. So, 9 by 1 will become 4. 9 4s are 36. 15 by 4 into 1 into 1. 15 by 4. Okay. So, now can we write like that? Now, instead of 9 by 1, you can write 36 by 4. Instead of 15 by 4, you can write 15 by 4. So, now the equation will become 7 minus 7x. 36 by 4 minus 15 by 4. Shall I write like this? Yes. Now both the denominators are same. Yes. Minus 7x equal to 36 minus 15 by 4. Because both the denominators are same, I wrote only once. 36 minus 15. Minus 7x equal to 36 minus 15. 21. Right? Is it right? 21? Yes. Divided by 4. Okay. Now, can we cancel this? No. So, now I want only x. So, I will write x as such. 21 by 4. Then, shall I bring this to down? So, if it comes down, it will come to the denominator side because it is multiplied. So, if it comes that side, it becomes a division. So, I wrote under the denominator side. Now, can we cancel this in 7th table 1 times, 3 times? Okay, now x is equal to minus 3 by 4. What is the solution of the x value? Minus 3 by 4. Listen carefully. I want only minus 7x, so I am bringing that to that side. Plus 15 by 4 will become minus 15 by 4. Now LCM I have done and I made that to 36 by 4 minus 15 by 4. 36 minus 15, 21 by 4. Listen, since it is multiplied, if it go that side, it will become a division. So you should write it in denominator. 4 is different, 7 is different. That is why I am putting multiplied sign here. Okay. Since it is a division, I am writing it in denominator. If it is a multiplication, I will write it in numerator. Okay. So 7th table 1 times, 3 times. Now 3 by 4, this minus is there. So x is equal to minus 3 by 4 is the solution of this equation. Understood, children? Today's class, we have just given a introduction about the linear equations with one variable and few exercise problems we have discussed. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.